This train will only run once it detects some motion. Once activated, it will do 3 full loops until it comes back to a stop. It detects the position of the train, or rather the passing of the train, with a read sensor and the motion with the peer sensor over there. The controller used in that project was an ESP32C3 Mini. And as usual, when controlling a train, we need some external power and an H-bridge to get enough power to the motors in the locomotive. Now the train is approaching the read sensor and the count will go down by 1. 1 loop left. So the next time the train comes around, it will come to a stop. If you want to know more how this train is working, watch the full video or visit my website, which is linked somewhere below in the description.